Welcome to H's Calligraphy. I visited a framing shop so shot some videos in part. In today's video, I will show you all of my beautiful calligraphy paintings. Selection of frames was the toughest. They had a huge variety of collection of frames. After one day only, detailed video of all frames. You can see the finishing of each one. All of them are very neatly framed. Let's have a look on all of them. Don't forget to share the review and to subscribe my channel if you really like the video. This one is my favorite. I chose this black frame for it because outline of its font is in black. I was really worried for this one, but it turned out amazing. These three are same having different colors. A man sitting in Tashid. You can also purchase them in very reasonable hadya. Visit my Instagram for hadya. Link is in bio. Don't forget to subscribe.